Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable, my supervisor, Mem Kasmaini SSMPD and Mem Mehardia SSMA, and the Honorable, my examiner, Mem Indah Damayanti SSMRS and Mem Zahrida SSM Hum. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Nanda Nurul Imania. I'm English Education Study Program 8th semester, and today I would like to tell my thesis entitled An Analysis of Slang Word Used in Ariana Grande Songs. I have divided my talk into four. The first one is introduction. The first is background. English can be divided into several categories, namely standard English and non-standard English. Slang words are usually found because of habits or ideas that arise in society. The use of slang that is usually in society as if it is a style, slang appears and most people choose to use it and can usually be found everywhere. Word formation is something that occurs in and is very close to human life. And then I choose popular song from Ariana Grande contains a lot of slang, namely as Side to Side, Seven Rings, Rain on Me, Thank You Next, and Problem. And the second is research question. I have two. The first one is what types of slang words are used in Ariana Grande's song? And then what is the meaning of slang word used in Ariana Grande's songs? And the research objective is to find out the types of slang words are used in Ariana Grande's song and to find the meaning of slang word used in Ariana Grande's songs. And the limitation of my thesis is Ariana Grande music and Yule's theory. And the significance, I have two of them. The first one is theoretical, so the meaning and types of slang word used in Ariana Grande's music and give the analysis of slang word applied in it. And in the practical is this research is expected to give contribution to English education and make readers can understand the meaning and types of slang words. And the definition of key terms. The first is slang word. Slang is an informal word that is not considered standard, but if used universal, it is considered normal, and slang usually refers to taboo words. And Ariana Grande is born June 26, and she is American singer, songwriter, and actress. And the song is a musical composition performed by a human voice. It combines melody and vocals. And then the last one is word formation. According to Yule 2010, state that word formation process as a way of constructing and creating new words from the use of old words. And the second one is literature review. The first is language variation. According to Ningsi 2020 states that language variation has different from one group to another. This can be seen from social factors, belief, ethnic, social status, gender, and even education level and age. And according to Fish and Muhammad Ismail 2014, that is term of speaker, language variety is divided into five parts, namely dialect, register, jargon, style, and slang. And according to Latifa 2017, language variation is the foundation of sociolinguistics. And the slang, according to Hidayat 2020, slang is a language that comes out of standard language and is used in everyday life with words, phrase, and meaning that are extended and understood by certain group. And according to Alan and Burrich 2006, they investigate 7 reasons for using slang. And according to Yule 2010, state that slang process has 10 processes. And then the previous study, I have 3 of them. The first one from Octavia 2007 entitled An Analysis of Slang Words in the Lyrics of Far East Movement Song as the form of language development, and it is used in the daily life. And the second is from Eva Dewi 2018 entitled is An Analysis of Slang Word Used in Enemies Rap Music. And the last is from Hidayat 2020 entitled is The Word Formation Process of Slang Word in Rich Brian song entitled That Stick. And then we move to the next methodology. In the research design, I chose qualitative research design, and the object of the research is the song lyric from Ariana Grande, which contains slang words. In this study, the researcher used 5 songs from Ariana Grande. They are Side to Side, Seven Ring, Rain on Me, Thank You Next, and The Problem. And the instrument, the major instrument of this research will be used the researcher herself to collect and analyze the data and use the data sheet. And the researcher also used documentation as instrument because this research use qualitative. And then in the collecting data, I have 3 of them. The first is reading the lyrics of the song in Ariana Grande songs of lyrics and comprehending the lyrics, and identifying the slang word used in the lyrics, and marking the slang word found in the lyrics, and finding and classify the meaning of slang word. And then the procedure, I have 4. The first is read and understand the meaning of the lyric, find out the slang word used in the song lyrics, highlight the slang word which are found in the lyrics, and classify the slang word into each type of slang word. And analyze the data, I have 4 also. The first is organizing the slang word which are already found in the lyrics, and finding the meaning of slang word. The researcher using 2 dictionary of slang. They are Urban Dictionary and NCT's Dictionary of American Slang and Colloquial Expression 3rd edition. And then classification the types of slang word based on Yule theory 2010 and making conclusion of the analysis. And the last one is result. From the result of Ariana Grande songs, there were 6 types of slang word performed Ariana Grande song according to Yule 2010. The types of slang word are coinage, compounding, blending, clipping, acronym, and derivation. The result of data analysis revealed that there were 140 cases of slang word in the Ariana Grande song. The first song is Side to Side. There were 22 data containing slang word performed Ariana Grande song. In this song entitled Side to Side, they are coinage. They were 1 occur of coinage, 4 occurrences of blending, 13 occurrences of clipping, and 4 occurrences of derivation. And in Seven Ring, there are 28 data. There were 1 occurrence of coinage, 2 occurrences of blending, 17 occurrences of clipping, and 1 occurrence of acronym, and 7 occurrences of derivation. And in Rain on Me song, there are 14 data containing slang. Based on this research, there were 1 occurrence of compounding, 1 occurrence of blending, 8 occurrences of clipping, and 4 occurrences of derivation. And in Thank You Next songs, there were 22 data. There were 1 occurrence of blending, 13 occurrences of clipping, and 8 occurrences of derivation. And the last is from problem song, there are 28 data. There were 4 occurrences of coinage, 3 occurrences of blending, 19 occurrences of clipping, and 2 occurrences of derivation. And in coinage, for the example is but I'm gonna be no Mrs. Mrs. means call for married woman in appendix 2 number 8, and the another example is you is baby boo. Boo means someone you love, someone you care about. In this boo, there in appendix 5 number 16, and the in compounding, for example, is I never asked for the rainfall. Rainfall mean combination of 2 words rain and fall produce a new word rainfall. This is the in this appendix 3 and number 2. And blending, for the example is I wanna rock with you buddy. Wanna means short meaning from 1 to in appendix 3 number 2. I mean appendix 1 number 5. And then I gotta have it. Gotta means short meaning from going and to in appendix 5 number 3. In clipping, making everybody thinks in appendix 1 number 15 means making means makings. And the cause he was an angel in appendix 4 number 2 meaning have a meaning because. And in acronym, the example is Lesses and Diamond ATM machines in appendix 2 number 2 have a mean ATM is shortening from automated teller machine, and in the last is derivational. You standing over there in appendix 1 number 3 means standing means the act of being upright, and happiness is the same in appendix 2 number 13 means obsessed with something. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you for watching this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.